Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on GMT. As in my earlier video, we were watching at the breakout from a very big falling wedge pattern, and this was my last video. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short rally where the pricing got rejected by this very long-term support and resistance zone, and at the same time, there was a bearish divergence flash, as you can see that the price and was forming higher high. At the same time, the stochastic oscillator was forming lower high. There was a quite clear bearish divergence and the price and followed this signal and broke down this next support of 30 cents. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, and you can see that there is a bullish divergence flash as the price line is forming lower lows. At the same time, you can see that stochastic is moving up and forming higher lows. So therefore, there is a probability that the price line may start another reversal to make another attempt to break out this long-term resistance of 30 cents. However, on a 7 days time frame chart, this long-term support and resistance zone is very significant. That starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents. Previously, you can see that this level has been breaking as a support zone here and support zone here and resistance zone here. And now again, we got rejected by this level. Therefore, we need to break out this support and resistance zone in order to continue this rally to the upside. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GMT that I shared on 10th of January 2023 with my members. And this move produced almost 21% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for GMT that I shared on 10th of January 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the pricing nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 21% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that was, by the way, formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. It was completing this final leg. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and to the buying zone here. Then we had almost 40% very, very massive pump on this 4-hour time frame chart against Bitcoin. By the way, I shared this idea in the month of November 2023 with my members. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GMT, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of April 2022, it was moving inside this wedge. And here in the month of October 2023, we broke it out. And from this low to this high, the price line rallied more than 224%, but could not break out this long-term support and resistance zone. And now recently we have broken down the support. By the way, there is a hidden bullish divergence also flashed on this 7 days time frame chart. As you can see that so far the price line is not able to form another lower than previous low, and it is forming higher low than previous low. And at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then it is forming lower than previous low. And until or unless the price line will not move more down and forms another lower than previous low, there is a hidden bullish divergence on this chart. That is a signal for a price reversal. And even on the daily time frame chart, we have bullish divergence signal on this chart. You can see that the price line is forming lower low. At the same time, stochastic is forming higher low. And you can see that stochastic is also moving in the oversold zone as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.